der, die, das, or ein, eine, or even kein? In this video, you learn how to use the definite, indefinite, and the negative articles in the nominative case. Hello everyone and welcome to Sprechify, where we make learning German easy peasy. My name is Francesca and I'm a native German speaker with over 7 years of teaching experience. This video is part of a series from my complete German course for absolute beginners. If you want to go even further, you can find the full course on Udemy. The first 100 students will get a 60% discount on the full course. Check out the link in the description. And now, let's dive into today's topic. Hello and welcome to the first lesson of the fourth module. In this lesson, we will talk about the definite and indefinite article and the negative article. We will start with the definite and indefinite article, der bestimmte und unbestimmte Artikel in German. We have in English the articles the and an. The is the definite article, der bestimmte Artikel in German, and an is the indefinite article in English, and in German we call it der unbestimmte Artikel. It's easy in English because we have the and an, but in German we have multiple articles. Let's start with the definite articles, die bestimmten Artikel. We have der, which is the definite article for the masculine nouns. Die, it's for the feminine nouns. And das, which is for the neutral nouns. So der, die, das. And the indefinite articles or the indefinite article for der is ein. For die is eine. And for das is ein. You will see throughout the lesson or the module that I marked I have written the masculine nouns with German, or the article, not just the noun, with blue. So der, ein will be blue, masculine. Feminine will be red, die, eine. And neutral words or neutral articles will be green, das, ein. And these are just for the nominative, is just for the nominative case. So, let's see some words. We have Lehrer, Beruf, and laptop. Do you think it's masculine, feminine, or neutral? I will tell you, it's masculine, or they are masculine. So we have the articles der, ein, der Lehrer, der Beruf, der laptop. It's very important to learn the nouns in German with the article. Because it's easier this way than to learn the noun and later you will learn the article. No, it's very important to learn the article with the noun. And if you can see, I have underlined Lehrer, the ending of Lehrer, er. When we talk about jobs and we have the ending er, then it's the masculine version of the job, of the profession. So Lehrer is the male teacher. Let's see other words. Professorin, Karriere, Uniform. Are these words feminine or neutral? These words are feminine, so we have die or eine. Die Professorin, die Karriere, die Uniform. If we talk again, or when we talk again about jobs, and we have the ending in, like in Professorin, then we talk about the feminine version of the job, of the profession. So Professorin is the female professor. And most of the words that end in E, so in E in German, are feminine words. This is a rule, if you like to say it like that. You can keep in mind, but not all of them. Not all of the words ending in E are feminine, but most of them. Let's see other words. Büro, Dokument, Ziel. And these words are neutral words, so das Büro, das Dokument, das Ziel. Now let's practice a little bit. How do you say, this is a policeman? The policeman is working. Policeman, jobs, male job, male version. Is it masculine, feminine, or neutral? It's masculine. And the sentences would sound like this. Das ist ein Polizist. Der Polizist arbeitet. Now the next example. Das ist Sekretärin. Sekretärin telefoniert. Again, we need first the indefinite article, then the definite article. We have the ending in. We talk again about professions or jobs. So it should be feminine. So, das ist eine Sekretärin. Die Sekretärin telefoniert. And another example. This is a project. The project is complicated. Projekt in German is neutral. So it would sound like this. Das ist ein Projekt. Das Projekt ist kompliziert. Like I said before, learn the nouns with the articles. It's very important. So let's move to the negative articles now. Let's see what they are, how they function. So we said before that we have the indefinite articles ein, eine, and ein in German. And the negative articles are similar to these ones. You just put a K before ein, eine, ein. And then you have the negative article. Easy, right? So you have ein for masculine and kein for the negative article. For feminine, we have eine and keine. And for the neutral article, we have ein and kein. And again, it's just for the nominative case. Let's practice again. How do you say? Is it a policeman? No, it is not a policeman. This is a doctor. Policeman, we have learned before, is masculine. So, ist das ein Polizist? Nein, das ist kein Polizist. Das ist ein Arzt. Another example. Is this an uniform? No, this is not an uniform. This is a jacket. So if you remember, uniform is feminine. Ist das eine Uniform? Nein, das ist keine Uniform. Das ist eine Jacke. Is this a document? No, it is not a document. This is a book. Document, again, we have it at the beginning. is neutral, right? Ist das ein Dokument? Nein, das ist kein Dokument. Das ist ein Buch. And another one. Is this a teacher? No, this is not a teacher. This is a teacher. But I mean in the last teacher, the female version of teacher. So, sounds like this. Ist das ein Lehrer? Nein, das ist kein Lehrer. Das ist eine Lehrerin. That's it for now. See you in the next one.